So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on G on your keyboard. Now you're going to find geolocation service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic. Then you're going to click on start, which will then make the service status running. So make sure you have startup type automatic, service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to do up here. So first you're going to expand HK local machine, and then you're going to expand system. Now you're going to expand CurrentControlSet. Now we're going to expand services. Now you're going to find ICSSV. So click on any service one time and then click on I. Now we're going to find ICSSV. We're going to scroll down until we find ICSSV. Here it is. Expand that. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand TriggerInfo. And now if you have the number 3 right here, you want to delete it. You want to right click on it and then click on delete. And then click on yes. Now that's been deleted. If you did not have number 3, that's fine. Now we're going to restart our computer. And then this should now fix your problem. If you did not have number 3, it's fine. The first step should have now fixed your problem.